Our belt sander BSE is the perfect solution for a variety of tricky grinding tasks. It is ideal for grinding out small openings, regrinding surfaces and radii, deburring, rust removal, chamfering and much more, even in spots which other devices are not able to access at all. What's more, 2 operating modes are available for this purpose. To achieve particularly flat surfaces, only the linear belt guide at the bottom of the grinding arm should be used. By contrast, soft contours can be created very nicely with the belt's unsupported upper side. This device's numerous capabilities are supplemented by an infinitely adjustable belt speed and the grinding arm's 60-degree angular adjustment range. Maximum flexibility, straight from the factory. The motor housing of the BSE deserves special mention too. Made of high-quality polyamide, the housing blends attractive design with superior stability and durability. The curry-coloured soft component forming part of the handle feels good to the touch and makes handling the device a pleasure in any position. The die-cast aluminium head is ideal housing for the highly precise bearing of the indestructible gearbox. Replacement sanding belts are commercially available in different designs. High-grade corundum belts are available in grits 80, 120 and 180. And a belt coated in silicon carbide with a practical grit size of 180 is available for especially hard materials such as glass, ceramic, non-ferrous metals and cast iron. Replacement itself is child's play. Simply slide the used belt sideways off the guide. Then place a new belt while keeping the grinding arm pushed in slightly. On release, the belt is clamped automatically. Finished. Obviously, a lot of dust can be stirred up by the numerous applications of our BSE and its high removal rate. No problem. A practical suction neck allows the easy connection of a vacuum cleaner, which we naturally offer too. Our quiet, powerful, compact workshop vacuum cleaner, designated CW-matic, keeps your air and surroundings clean. The delivery package includes 4 sanding belts, 2 each of grit 80 and grit 180, one of them pre-assembled. The BSE comes in a stylish and extremely strong polypropylene case, permitting easy storage after use. Proxxon. Tools with character.